Hello creative friends, it's Lisa and Krista and welcome to our channel, Farmhouse Rose Co. And DIY number 1 is a Be Mine sign. We're going to start off with a canvas from the Dollar Tree and we're going to remove the canvas and use the frame. And we're going to give the frame a coat of antique wax, and we just use one of these litter pans from Dollar Tree to do any staining or painting in. And then once our frame dries, we're just going to trace out a piece of poster board to use for the back of our sign. And next we're going to take a bag that we got from Dollar General and we're going to take it apart, and we're going to be using the front of the bag to make our sign, and we're going to attach it to the poster board. Now we're just going to trim off the edges and hot glue it to the frame. Next, we're going to take some felt hearts that we got from Dollar General, and we're going to take one of the red ones and we're just going to put it over the heart that's already on the sign to just give it more of a 3D look. Next, we're going to take some little wood hearts from the value pack from Dollar Tree, and we're just going to paint them pink and glue them to each corner. And now we're going to take the same pink paint and we're just going to distress the edges of the frame. And here is how it turned out. DIY number 2 is February 14th sign. We're going to take one of the tag signs from Dollar Tree, and then I just measured the top so it would come to a point almost like the shape of a house. And then I just took a utility knife and I scored each side until I could break the pieces off. And next I just gave the front and the back 2 coats of white chalk paint. Now we're going to cut some paint sticks for the top of the sign, and we just cut it in a 45-degree angle so it would meet at the peak, and then we just cut another straight piece to go on the bottom of the sign. And then we just gave all 3 pieces a coat of antique wax. And now we're just going to glue the paint sticks into place. And next we just made a vinyl decal of February and then the number 14. And then we just took transfer paper and attached it to the side. And here is how it turned out. I love how simple it is. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And today's positive quote is, look for something positive in each day, even if some days you have to look a little harder. Creative friends, we believe in you and you're capable of amazing things. We have more videos to come. Until next time.